Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshada. I am from final year representing Group 1, and today I will be recreating a scene of the very famous movie Dear Zindagi, and I will be playing the role of Alia Bhatt. The character's name is Kaira. So, before starting the scene, I wanted to just tell a short about the importance of the scene. So, we all think that everyone's childhood is very joyful, cheerful, and everyone's childhood is always happy. But it's not always the case with everyone. Not everyone's childhood is happy, cheerful, joyful, and worth remembering. Some people they suffer from trauma, mental trauma, physical trauma, and childhood trauma from their parents, especially. And not everyone gets loving and caring parents. And when such kind of trauma hits in childhood, when those people grew and become adults, that they find it difficult to heal from that trauma. So the scene is representing that. In this scene, Kaira will be confronting in front of her parents that trauma which she has faced from her parents through these many years. And yeah, I hope I give justice to the character.
यही सोच है ना आप सबकी? मुझ जैसे को पागल समझते हो?